welcome back to a new video. I thought it would be fun to do an updated how I make my stickers video, because I think the last one I did was maybe about 2 years ago. Things have changed. I thought we could work on this little mini sticker sheet that I have currently sketched out for my next Patreon goodie bag. We are going with the textiles themed, so I thought it would be cute to do kind of a sewing notions sticker sheet. So yeah, first, before we start, I should let you know that I have these templates that I use. So I made myself I have like standard sizes for my sticker sheets. I have a large sticker sheet and a mini sticker sheet. So I designed them in Affinity, which is like a cheaper version of Photoshop. And I exported the PNGs and I imported them into Procreate. So I just have them as templates. So like, this is my large sticker sheet. It is a rounded rectangle with my logo and my little blurb at the bottom that has my website and like a handmade by me thing. And then I have the mini sticker sheet, which is the same thing, just approximately half the size. Is it half the size? No, it's not. It's a little bigger than half the size. Just the smaller sticker sheet that I make. That really helps cut down a lot of time for figuring out the size of stickers and things like that, especially when it comes to making my sticker sheets. Since I am making a sticker sheet for my Patreon, we are using a mini sticker sheet because, as you all know, my Patreon the goodie bags come with mini sticker sheets and a bunch of die cut stickers. I am going to hand you off to voiceover Cecile now. This is me literally just talking at my camera while it's hovering over my iPad while I color this, and then I will come back to tell you about how I transfer my designs from this into an actual sticker sheet.
Hello friends, it's voiceover Cecile here to chat with you a little bit about how I come up with my sticker sheet designs and sketches as you watch me color this little mini sticker sheet for my patrons. I always start off a sticker sheet with a general theme in mind. As you'll notice in my shop, all of my sticker sheets center around some sort of theme, whether that's sewing notions like this one, or desserts, or bento boxes, or rainbow windows, etc. I usually like to sketch out rough ideas on paper. I am trained traditionally, so paper is what I'm most comfortable with. And I have a very ugly sketchbook for this purpose. And once I have my ideas, I will go into Procreate with my sticker sheet template to make a more final sketch and move things around to see how everything will look together. I always consider how someone might use these stickers, and it's why I always try to have a decent variety of sticker sizes. Personally, I like to have some big stickers in my planner and then some little tiny ones to kind of fit into the nooks and crannies, just to, take up the white space. So that's what I think about. And I also like to try and make cohesive color stories with my sticker sheets. Currently, I am obsessed with this particular yellow, burnt orange, cream, gray, and brown color scheme. So that's what I went with for this particular sticker sheet. It feels so warm and cozy, and I'm so ready for like cozy weather. And overall, I'm really happy with how the sticker sheet turned out. I love the little quilted pouch that I drew. I think I'm about to draw it now. And it's made me really want to take up quilting. I think that quilting would be so fun, just like finding cute cotton fabrics and piecing them together and seeing how they would look together. And I also am quite pleased with how the little fabric swatches turned out. I wanted them to feel like fabric swatches, and I used a lot of hatching to signify the texture of real fabric, and I feel like it overall conveys the fabric feeling. Once I am happy with how I've colored all the stickers on my sticker sheet, I will export the file as a PSD to my computer via AirDrop. I have a MacBook Pro and I have an iPad, so they work well together. But you can also do this if you have a PC. Just export it as a PSD and like save it to your drive or something. I will import the PSD file into Affinity and kind of mess with it a little, as you can see now, to try and use up as much space as I can and have as little white space as possible, while keeping in mind that I do need to have a little bit of space for the cut lines. Here I decided that I liked my little quilt pouch a lot, so I sized it up a little bit. And I'll usually do this for a while to figure out the best configuration of stickers possible. And then once I'm happy with the final format of my sticker sheet, I'll export the image as a PNG with a transparent background to import it into Silhouette Studio. So once we're in Silhouette Studio, I bring in the PNG file and I will trace the image, the complete image, and add an outline. These are all functions that are in the sidebar of Silhouette Studio. They're super easy and straightforward. And I like to have my margin be 0.05 or 0.04 depending on the sticker sheet size. If it's a smaller sticker sheet like this mini one, I try to do 0.04 just so the white space doesn't look as clunky, because the stickers are also a little bit smaller. When I'm doing this, I tend to have to go back and forth because maybe I didn't leave enough white space in between a couple stickers, or maybe I don't like how close two stickers are together. It all depends. So I did it a couple times here, and then I will fix up the cut lines if I need to. And then once I've done that, I have a formatted background template already. So I just have to copy the image and the cut lines to my template file, and then I'm ready to print and cut. For your cut settings, it all really depends on the paper that you're using, so you just have to kind of test it and see what works best for you. I am still refining my cut settings. It really depends on also how blunt your blade is in your Silhouette machine. So over time, I will have to make my sticker cutting settings a little bit deeper. Just stuff like that. You just have to kind of be ready to test it a lot. And once it's all cut, I take it off of the cutting mat, and then I have a set. In this case, with the mini sticker sheets, I can fit 4 on a page. I have a set of little sticker sheets, and yeah. Overall, I'm pretty happy with how these turned out. The colors printed great. That can be sometimes hit or miss. I might need to test that a little bit, but here, I think it turned out great. So that's it. I hope this tutorial was a little bit helpful for you. Thank you always for watching, and thank you for being part of my cozy little space on the internet. I will see you very soon.